Oh my god, the method worked. I just got Diablo 4 installed for completely free doing it. As you can see, we're now able to choose our character and start the campaign. But yeah, guys, the game is now completely free with the method. It's insane. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Diablo 4 for completely free. And it will be available, this will work for like PC, so Steam, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, and the Series X. And all you'll be needing for this tutorial is your mobile device. So like a phone will do just fine. An iOS or Android device will do just fine, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what I'm going to do is turn on my screen recording on my phone here and show you guys how to do this. So we're going to turn on screen recording in 3, 2, 1, and boom, it's live now. And what you guys will do is super simple. All we'll need, guys, is to go to our browser on our iOS or Android device, guys. And you're just going to want to go ahead to this website called couponsky.net. So this is the website that you guys have to go to. We're on it right now. So once we're on here, it's pretty simple to actually go ahead and get the code. You're going to see like a bunch of stuff, but you're going to want to scroll down and look for, if you just scroll down, you'll see it eventually. There it is right there. Free full game code for Diablo 4. Works for all platforms. So this is the one we want, and what we have to do now, guys, is just tap on it. And once we've tapped on it, what you guys will do now is scroll down a little bit and go down to verified 1 day ago, 25,000 uses, and you're going to click show coupon code. And then it will say 100% off your next checkout with Diablo 4. So this is the one this is where we want it. So you're just going to click unlock. And it's going to go ahead now and start loading the code and stuff. And then I'll show you guys what we have to do next in order to actually finish installing it. Okay, so it says Diablo 4 code unlocker. Please install 3 free apps or offers to automatically unlock your coupon. Okay, so this is actually like some sort of verification thing. I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and I'll let you guys know if it worked or not, and I'll be right back. Just give me like a second and I'll go ahead and try this out. Okay guys, so I'm back now, and I went ahead and did those 3 offers that it said. As you guys saw, it said you have to do like 3 of the offers, and I went ahead and did it. And as you guys can see, I'm back now on the Coupon Sky website, and it says 3 offers successfully completed. Thanks for completing 3 offers. We will now generate your code for free. So yeah, it was super easy. You just had to do 3 of them, and now we're gonna click OK, and it says getting code, and boom, just like that, code successfully generated. Your code is 84Z42. Enjoy. If you need more codes, you can use Coupon Sky again anytime you need. So guys, it ended up working. As you saw, I had to do 3 of the apps or offers. They just have some instructions that they tell you to do, and you just follow the instructions for it, and you should be good. And then when you do 3, you go back to the website and it will generate your code. So now all I have to do is just take the code and redeem it on my console or platform of choice, and I'll be good, guys. So thank you everybody for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And if you need help, I can generate a code for you. Just leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, guys.